Lesson 6, Real World. Lesson 7, Review. Let's review. It's a school. It's a school. It's a grocery store. It's a grocery store. It's a park. It's a park. It's a restaurant. It's a restaurant. It's a toy store. It's a toy store. It's a house. It's a house. Big, big, small, small. This is a big school. This is a big school. This is a small school. This is a small school. This is a big restaurant. This is a big restaurant. This is a small restaurant. This is a small restaurant. This is a big house. This is a big house. This is a small house. This is a small house. This is a big toy store. This is a big toy store. This is a small toy store. This is a small toy store. Colors, colors. It's pink, it's pink. It's green, it's green. It's orange, it's orange. It's blue, it's blue. Pink house, pink house. Green school, green school. Blue toy store, blue toy store. Orange restaurant, orange restaurant. Let's practice. This is a big pink house. This is a big pink house. This is a small pink house. This is a small pink house. This is a big green school. This is a big green school. This is a small green school. This is a small green school. This is a big blue toy store. This is a big blue toy store. This is a small blue toy store. This is a small blue toy store. This is a big orange restaurant. This is a big orange restaurant. This is a small orange restaurant. This is a small orange restaurant.